So by the title of this video, you already know this is the birthday vlog of Nirvi, and I'm sure you're gonna have so much fun watching this. I'm also gonna be sharing birthday decoration idea with you all. So our plan was to just have one frozen party, but we decided to have two instead of one. So we are gonna have a fairy tale party as well. I'll tell you the reason why. But the celebration started with the packing of her few toys because we wanted to split up in 2 days. So pretty. Okay? Actually, Nirvi received this TP as a birthday present from one of our family members. So we decided to have two parties instead of one inside home, just to have more fun and just chill out and have cozy feeling around home. So I decorated this with fairy light it came with, and also some balloons. Snowflakes balloons were from the kit which we have got for frozen, like in the frozen kit. So I added them and decorated with few presents over here just to make it more fun. And I had actually tied all those balloons back on the window, if you can see over there, because last year I clearly remember some of the balloons were popped due to candle when we were lighting candle, and she was really afraid of it. So we did not want to take any chance this time. As soon as Nirvi went to bed, it is our show time, it is work time. So we had decided to set up the whole frozen theme wall decoration in the night before, so that when she gets up, we wanted to see her reaction, how she reacts and everything. So everything will be ready for the next day. That was also the reason. So initially Nimish wanted to blow all the balloons through the cycle pump, but that did not work out, so he had to blow all the balloons. And we are using a string that did not come with the kit. I'll make sure to link down below the kit we had got from for the birthday party. But anyways, so this is the string you need to make a garland, and we had got it from Party City, but you can get it easily on Amazon. Again, I'll put the link in the description box. So this is how we made it, and the kit also came with this birthday happy birthday string, and also it came with tassels. All the things were little DIY. And definitely this balloon garland took so much time, almost 2 hours I can say.
Wow! New balloons!
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Oh, I know.
Do you see the big balloons over there on the top as well?
No, blue balloons. balloon.
Blue. And do you see a snowflake's big balloon here?
Yes. Mommy,
Hmm?
it's going that on Pragya.
And we have also the gifts. Your presents.
It's a baby boy surprise.
Yes, I think so. Do you want to open?
Yes. Surprise.
I think that it is. Do you want me to open?
Yes.
Go that side. I will open for you.
Dada doodle.
Dudu and
Papa.
yeah, it's a birthday treat.
For the tree.
Yeah, you have to finish it all, okay? After her breakfast, actually Elsa came to sing song for Nirvi, like Let It Go song and Happy Birthday song, and to read books for Nirvi. So it was so much fun with Dream Party Production. I will link down their Instagram handle below. Make sure to check it out, because if your kids enjoy Elsa or any other princess, they are absolutely going to love it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nirvi. Happy birthday to you.
This is something really amazing. What do you think it is?
It's a piano.
You wanted a piano, right?
Yes.
It's a piano.
Yes.
Do you wanna play piano now?
I really want to sing it. I'm singing.
Singing and playing. Okay, you have to on it like this. If you cannot tell by now, Nirvi absolutely loved playing with her piano for the whole day. And for her birthday dinner, I'm making pizza, because that is her most favorite thing in the whole world to have, like on the cozy days. So yeah, I'm making this. Do not judge me on the pizza sauce, because I did not make it. I used ketchup, but I'll link down the recipe of the pizza that I use, because that is a tried and tested one, and you're gonna love it. But anyways, for cake, actually my friend helped us out, because we were not getting anyone who could make on time. So she made eggless cake at home. How cute her daughter is, who is helping her out in that. And the last project to do in this whole party situation was the tassels. It is again was a DIY. It was a simple one, but we were so tired last night, so did not make it. We were awake till 2 a.m. I would say. And so yeah, this is what I'm doing over here, and you can enjoy Nirvi playing with the tassels. She was thinking she's a Roman.
Benny, meeny, bingy.
Benny, meeny, binchy.
Benny, meeny, bingy.
Benny, meeny, binchy.
Benny, meeny, bingy.
Benny, meeny, binchy. was so yummy cake. Do you want to say thank you to Krisha and Auntie?